Welcome to Mandani Bay, and this is the presentation. If you have client, then bring here. This is the project. We have an option kung pwede ta mag-Mandani Bay Suites, Mandani Bay Key, and one Mandani Bay. So, ganahan mo nga monita sa Mandani Bay Key, kay mo na siya available karon for sale. And Tower 2, na pa siya few units left, but Tower 3, daghan patag ma-offer. So, we will tap this one. And if ganahan ka nga mag-offer og studio with balcony, naapod tayo without balcony. So, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and a 3 bedroom. So, we will try to open the 2 bedroom suite. So, pag 2 bedroom suite, mauni siya ang iyang layout. So, naatay city view, naapod tayo amenity view. And, mauni siya ang iyang floor plan. This is the master's bedroom, the 1 bedroom here, and this one is a balcony. Swipe lang. Unit area is 77.28. Balcony is 4.50. Total area of 51.78. One Mandani Bay, this is the office for sale. So from luxury living spaces to world-class workspaces. Muna siya ang One Mandani Bay. Okay, for the first time, Mandani Bay expands its offerings beyond residences. So, pinaka-first ni nila nga office nga offer for sale. And it's fronting the dalan. Katong Epswilly nga atong naagian. Alright? So, at least naalang mo idea. So, if ganahan mo mutap sa office spaces, mo ni siya ang mga units available. We have 177 square meter, we have 128, and we have 97 ang pinakagamay. So, how much is the price? Tanaw na to kung naa ba diri, makita ba, but I don't think naa diri. So if mangungutana mo or naa mo'y client and then ganahan siya for the computation, you have to ask Chloe lang para ma-assist, and then pag human na mo present diri, ipa-sit down lang ninyo inyong client. And naaray mo duol. Okay? So that's it for the presentation.